pumara doon sa bus. Kasi walang pinutan. Tapos sabi ni Brian, tanungin ko daw yung katabi ko, paano pumara? Paano ko yung English yun? How to stop? Mga! Sinabi namin dun sa driver na dun kami bago. Pero feeling ko, hindi kami nagkaintindihan.
Layo na binabanta natin.
Feeling ko na lost in translation kami. Hayaan mo na, maglakad na muna tayo. Hindi ikakasakit ng paa ko yan kasi nagpamassage na kagabi. Charas! Hanggang Sunday pa kami dito pero nag-check out na kami today which is Saturday because lilipat kami ng hotel. The main purpose kasi talaga ng pagpunta ko dito is sa 21 concert and medyo malayo yung Impact Exhibition Hall dito. So, lumipat kami ng hotel para malapit na lang ako dun sa mismong concert area. Alam nyo ba, mas una ko pang nabook yung hotel na yun kaysa sa hotel namin dyan. Kasi gusto namin na after the concert or before, the day before yung concert, parang walking distance na lang para hindi na kami masyadong magmadali, magbiyahe ng matagal. Kasi, I think it would take an hour if magbabiyahe pa kami papunta doon. Tapos, i-figure out pa namin. So, that's a different story. So, yeah. I think it's a smart move naman for me. Let's see bukas. But, yeah. Right now, we're just walking to a cafe. It's called Flat White Cafe. It's one of the recommended cafes that I found online and masarap daw yung food nila. So, let's see. I'm excited to eat na. Yeah, and share ko lang, sobrang nakakatuwa. So, dun sa train, free ride siya. Like, lahat. Like, dun sa Nana Station na sinakyan namin, free siya. Tapos, doon din sa pagbaba namin sa Fonglo Station, free din siya. Inask ko si ate girl kung bakit free. Sabi nila, government support daw to reduce traffic and pollution. Imagine, nakakatuwa naman yung government nila kasi naisipan nila yung gano'n. Sana maisip din sana maisip din ni Charis. Hindi ko alam kung malapit na ba kami sa cafe, pero so far, 2 minutes na lang daw, sabi ng navigator mo. Ay, shout out sa mga walang ambag sa trip. Mga kuyog baboy og sunod-sunod. Wala talaga akong sense of direction. Pero meron naman, dati mga 10%. Nung nag-solo travel ako, mga nasa 51% na. Pero more chances of failing pa din. Sige na guys, gutom na gid kaayo ko ba? Akong gutom kay padung na makabuang. Like, I'll see you later. Bye! Sobrang sarap ng food nila. And yung coffee nila. So masarap. Ang fairness sa mga cafe sa Bangkok, aesthetic na. Ang sarap pa ng food at ang coffee. Tatanungin ko yung nagsiserve if nagsisell sila nung beans na to. Sobrang sarap lang. Sobrang sarap talaga. Where are you guys from?
Cambodia.
Oh, Cambodia.
Yeah.
Oh. How do you say hello in Cambodia?
In formal, we say Chumripsu.
Sorry?
Chumripsu.
Chumripsu.
Yes.
How long you're staying here?
3 nights and 4 days. Because we come here for 2 months. Going to watch tomorrow. So see you there tomorrow.
Nice to meet you. Blackjack. I also tried to buy tickets in Hong Kong and then Taiwan. Still no luck.
But I'm sure that's they will help another tour.
Yeah, I think because they'll have another in South Korea, right?
Yes, they start from South Korea again.
So nakaalis na kami from Flat White Cafe and then right now nandito kami sa Eskinita because we're waiting for a ride. Tinatry pa namin yung Grab and Bolt. Sobrang hirap makahanap ng taxi or ng ride. Kaya yung mga friends ko, na-meet ko from the Flat White Cafe. Nandito din sila to watch the concert tomorrow. Same kami ng day. Hindi kami makahanap ng ride daw. Maglalakad na lang kami. Good luck. Okay lang sana kasi 1.8 kilometer lang. Kasi sa sobrang init talaga. Pagdating mo doon, pagod ka na. Anyways, wala tayong no choice. Lalaban na lang tayo, Bora.
Bakit na lang kasi wala talaga.
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. And your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Oh. Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Yeah, I see you there biting your cherry lips, giving me a hint at an early exit. Can't believe, gotta pinch your cheek to know this isn't fantasy. Right, skip the chit chat cause that shit cheap. Doesn't matter either way cause I can hear everything. Wanna get some air to breathe cause I can see you falling asleep. It's your friend.